Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Unique Gadgets Official. In this video we are going to unbox Apple AirPods Pro Replica, or you can say master copy. Let's get started with this video. Let's take a box and unwrap this box. Yes guys, these AirPods come with wireless magnetic charging case. That's awesome, right? Let's see the box content. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram, Unique Gadgets Official. The box quality was awesome. Let's see what's inside and let's check it out. We have a compartment. In this compartment we have paper manual. Oh, it's written in Chinese. Okay, let's see the other thing. Let's put it back and check other content. Yeah, we have AirPods Pro itself. Let's see the AirPods Pro. Pretty good weight. Okay, let's see the other content. We have a charging cable which is type C to lightning cable, same as original. Wire quality also very good. And see, we have 4 earbuds for the AirPods Pro. And let's check the AirPod itself. Okay, let's unwrap this one and check it out. Wow, pretty good weight. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's blink green light like same as original. And let's check the AirPod. Yeah guys, it has a metal engraving like same as original, and the back side of AirPod also same as original. And let's see, let's connect with Bluetooth and let's see how it performs. You have to go to Bluetooth and search for a device, and it shows AirPods Pro. Let's click in this. Yeah, it's connected guys. It shows 100% battery health. Let's see how it performs. Yeah, it has written LNR. And let's play something from YouTube. Let's go to YouTube and play some song. Yes guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel Unique Gadgets Official for updates and notification. Yeah, the sound quality was awesome guys. Check the battery case. The battery case was pretty good, made of a high quality of plastic, I guess. Let's see the back side. It has metal charging point, which is very good. Let's put it back. Guys, if you want to buy this AirPods Pro, you can buy from Instagram Unique Gadgets Official, and you can message us on WhatsApp 809-809-6282. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram for regular updates.